Hi, I'm Quincy with In-Depth Utility Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to stream video from your vCam vCam 5 control module onto your iPhone or Android device. So let's jump right into it. The free version of this app is called iPCam Viewer Lite. It can be found on Google Play or the Apple Store. And it works the same for both devices. But once you have the app downloaded, the next thing you need to do is turn on the Wi-Fi on your control module. And you do that by hitting the F12 button. And when you press the F12 button, you'll get a little black Wi-Fi icon at the bottom of the screen. And then you need to connect your cell phone to the Wi-Fi on the vCam module. So that Wi-Fi name will look like vCam plus the last 6 digits of the serial number of your module. And the password for the Wi-Fi is 12345678. So once we're connected to the Wi-Fi, we're going to launch the IP camera application on your device. And then we're going to select Add Camera. That's going to be the icon at the bottom center of the screen, and it looks like a little plus symbol. After we hit that, under Add Camera Type, we're going to select IP Camera, DVR, NVR. And then the name field, we're going to use a unique name for your camera, something that you can remember. For this purpose, we're just going to type in vCam 5. And then we're going to use the drop-down menu to select the make and model of the input camera. So we're going to scroll down, they're in alphabetical order, and we're going to select vMetriTech. And the model vCam 5 should automatically enter into the model section. Then we're going to fill in some of these balance fields with information that I'm going to provide on your screen. So we're going to enter the IP and host name, and that's going to be 192.168.1.108. We're going to enter in the port, and that should automatically be entered in, but if not, we're going to add 34567. We're going to make sure that the SSL is turned off, and user, we're going to type in admin, all lowercase, and the password for this is 123456, and for the channel number, we're going to want to put 1. Now we're going to hit the test button to confirm the connection to the control module. If it's successful, you'll get a little pop-up window that's going to say successfully retrieved image from camera, and we're going to hit OK. And then we're going to select save to save our setup values. Okay, once we have that saved, we're going to push the back icon to return to the main screen. In the main screen, you will see the camera you set up, and it will be displaying the live video. Touch the video feed screen to launch it to full screen, and now you're connected and ready to view any of the footage from your vCam 5 onto your iPhone or Android device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And in the description below, I'll leave a link to our website where you can check out other products that we sell. Thank you.